Our man, our acquisitions guy, our hunter for DeRosa Group, Hervé Francois, has been kind enough to analyze a market. What is going on, DeRosa Insiders? This is Matt Faircloth. Welcome to the Cash Flow Digest. This program is brought to you live on the DeRosa Insiders on Facebook. If you guys are not followers of the DeRosa Insiders page on Facebook, what are you doing? There's such great conversations happening there. It is free. If you guys are watching this recording on Spotify, please take a minute right now and like this show, give it a 5-star rating, and I'm grateful for you guys to be with me here today on the Cash Flow Digest. Our man, our acquisitions guy, our hunter for DeRosa Group, Hervé Francois, has been kind enough to analyze a market, okay? And you guys are going to get to hear about what this market is in this video that he's created for us. Without any further ado, I'm going to be bringing on the video here so he can tell us all what he has to say about Tempe, Arizona.
Hey everyone, your favorite acquisition manager, Hervé Francois here at DeRosa Group. Review on a particular city that we have chosen to do a market analysis on. Utilize our free market analysis tool, DeRosaGroup.com/education. It shows you the metrics that we here at DeRosa use to decide whether or not a market is particularly attractive for us to go and invest in. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. For this particular video, I selected Tempe, Arizona. Tempe resides relative to a major metro being Phoenix, Arizona, where Phoenix has a population of 1.65 million. Tempe is 10 to 11 miles east. Some people would say that Tempe as a secondary market would be inclusive in the overall market statistical analysis of Phoenix because it is so close. One of our favorite sites, World Population Review, the overall population of Tempe, about 191,000. We love numbers that always go up to the right. So you've been seeing some nice growth in the population over the past several years. The average earnings here, $43,645. So pretty solid. Next site is neighborhoodscout.com. The average market rent is just under $3,000, a little higher than expected. Good amount of renters in this area, 63% renters relative to owners, making up 37%. Rule of thumb, renters have income of at least 3 times rent. Wow, yeah, that's pretty up there, folks. $9,000 a month in income. I like to go to BLS.gov, just take a look at the latest unemployment rate in a particular city. You're here at 4.2% as of July 2023. That compares to the national average of 3.5%. City-data.com, a lot of great information here, as well as Neighborhood Scout, the industries that make up the economy for Tempe, Arizona. The good thing here, no one industry representing over 20%. Good spread over here. White collar jobs making up a good percentage of the jobs. Those are the folks that are going to be able to afford that rent of $3,000 a month. Just to help you out, your search loopnet.com, where to find deals. There are other websites you can go to directly, the websites of commercial brokers. All in all, I do like Tempe, Arizona as a place to invest. The only thing is, in regards to the average market rent, probably have to skew more towards the Class A and the Class B buildings because that average market rent is so high. You're going to need to get a rental base that has median income above that average of $43,000. So folks, I hope you found this helpful. Again, go to DeRosaGroup.com/education, and then from there, download the free market analysis tool. It may not be listed there. BrightInvestor.com. Strongly recommend you check out their website as well. If not free information like the ones I just showed you here, but BrightInvestor.com does a great job of consolidating a lot of this information in one website. Folks, happy hunting and good luck. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy hunting, Hervé. Thank you. Thank you so much, Hervé. I really appreciate you doing that deep dive analysis on Tempe, Arizona. Guys, what I heard is that Tempe is a great market to consider if you want to invest in certain asset classes like Class A, because the cost to rent in Tempe is very high. It's a beautiful place. I've been around there to Scottsdale and that kind of thing. And that part of the world is growing quite a bit, but it really has to go back to the investment strategy you may have around the specific market. So that's really what the hunter does. The hunter doesn't just go find deals. The hunter says, okay, here's the aggregate data for the market. And this is the business plan that we should have in attacking deals in this market, because this market's going to go. And this is the best opportunity that I see. The hunter is not just a deal finder, order taker. The hunter is the opportunist that builds the plan for the company to acquire what they want to acquire in a market. So, Hervé, really grateful for you and for your production for this. I hope you guys got value. If you guys liked that analysis of Tempe, Arizona, feel free to reach out to Hervé on DeRosa Insiders and have a deeper conversation with him. Perhaps we can have a chat with him on DeRosa Insiders as well. Guys, in our education programs, you guys get direct access to me, direct access to Hervé, direct access to Justin and Vinny and all the other DeRosa team members you love. We've got a DeRosa education product called the Accelerator Program coming down the pipe. If you guys want to learn from us, go to DeRosaGroup.com/education. Me and the entire DeRosa team all have office hours every week. You guys can come on live and pick our brains anytime you want. Do those office hours. And we've got incredible modules that you guys can learn how to 10x, not 1, not 2, not 5, 10x your real estate business, bring it to the next level or the level beyond the next level with us through the DeRosa Multifamily Accelerator Program. That's what I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching the Cash Flow Digest. I appreciate you guys. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. Thank you for listening again to the Cash Flow Digest. I really appreciate you guys doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what DeRosa Group has to offer, go to DeRosa Group, DeRosa Group.com, DeRosaGroup.com online. You can hear about all the great things that we offer from an educational standpoint and passive investment standpoint on our website. See you there. And if you guys want to join our online community, DeRosa Insiders on Facebook, where you can watch this program get recorded every Friday at noon Eastern, and you can come on as even a guest or ask questions on the show. We hope to see you guys on our online community, DeRosa Insiders. See you there.